If you've seen some of my videos, you might realize I'm not using the greatest of video webcam. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a webcam via USB without using Wi-Fi. Let's get into it. The first step is to download the IvyCam app on your computer. You can find this at e2esoft.com/IvyCam. Next, you're going to want to download the IvyCam Webcam Software from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. I have a Galaxy S10, so I use the Play Store, and then I will plug my phone in. Allow access to phone data, and our phone is ready. Open the IvyCam webcam on your phone and open the app on your computer. And open the app on your computer. You may see this waiting for connection signal. In this particular case, because it's still waiting for connection, I'm going to go ahead and close the app and open it one more time. Sometimes it takes closing the app and then restarting in order to get it to work for the first time. So now you can see IvyCam is working, and this is through my Samsung Galaxy S7. So now my phone will work as a webcam, but it does not work yet as a microphone. I'm still using my Blue Ice microphone. In order to use the phone as a microphone, you're going to have to go into settings, touch these three lines, and change these settings to enable audio. Then you have to play audio to, and you're going to put microphone. When you do this, that will prompt you to download another piece of software. After you've downloaded the virtual sound card, restart your IvyCam app, click on the three lines, enable your audio, play audio to, and then you would select virtual sound card. Then your phone will work as both a microphone and a webcam. Now the resolution on my phone is even better than the resolution on my webcam. The reason why I don't always use my phone as a webcam is because I often need my phone during meetings, and I also don't have a great stand to hold my phone steady. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and have a wonderful day.